Hey, what's good, y'all? Hey, look, I'm super excited because today I get to show y'all how I made these logos. Look, I'm gonna show you how I made this logo. Right? I'm gonna show y'all how I made this logo.
V.
Fire, right? Hold on. I'm gonna show them some more. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all how I made this logo.
Time out.
I know. Hold on. I'm showing them these logos. I'm gonna show y'all how I made this.
V.
Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all how I made.
Hey, hold on.
I'm gonna show you how I made this logo.
Just stop for a minute, man. That's not what we doing.
What you mean?
You're supposed to be telling them why.
So you trying to say that like I'm not showing them how to make the logos? I'm showing them why to make the logos?
Why we make the logos? Now how?
Well, I guess that's something y'all need to know too. Here's why you make certain logos. Check it out. Hey, what is good? What is happening? How y'all doing, man? Look, I am V, Clay Vision Designs, and today I promise it's gonna be short. Today we're gonna talk about logos, right? Now, as a graphic designer, making logos is probably like one of the first things that you're gonna do. It's probably gonna be one of the first things that you get good at as a graphic designer. It's a creative process and it's fun. You know, to be honest, making logos is fun. But as you get into making logos, you have to understand, when you're dealing with clients especially, you have to understand why you're making this logo, right? Who are you making this logo for? What type of company is for? What type of message you're trying to convey? All these types of things are included in making a logo. Example, right? Client says, I need a logo for a company called Baked Goods, right? And you're like, all right, cool, I can do that. You know, I'm nice with the logos, fair. I got that. But that's all they give you. They need a logo for their company, Baked Goods. Now, you don't know what type of logo. Should this be a fun logo? Should it be a serious logo? Should it be just words? I mean, there's different types of logos. You don't know. And that's what we're gonna get into today. What type of logo you're making and what you need to know from a client to know exactly what type of logo you should be making. Okay, so there's different type of logos, right? We're gonna start off with personal logos. Now, a personal logo is basically for a person. Personal logo, right? It's for a person. And like this logo is not for a business, it's not a corporation. It's like, hey, my name is V, I want a cool logo. Whenever I post something, I want to be able to put my name, logo on my post or whatever. So it could be as creative as they want it to be, right? Example, I did a logo for this guy. He's a battle rapper, ABM. Logo here. Now, you see how this logo is all over the place, all type of colors, all type of personality to it. However, for a personal logo, you don't necessarily have to worry about people putting it on a letterhead. You don't have to worry about it being in black and white. You don't have to worry about it being printed versus being digital, right? So you can get outlandish with these types of logos. I mean, you can do whatever you want to do with these type of logos, but that's a personal logo. And as a designer, when you're talking to a client, this is one of the things that you need to know. What type of logo am I actually making? What am I actually making it for? Okay, that's one type. Another type of logo is logos for businesses. Now, contrary to what I said about the personal logos, the logos for businesses have to have all those attributes, right? It has to be RGB ready. It has to be CMYK ready. It has to be black and white ready, grayscale ready. It has to be a logo that can be presented on different type of media forms and formats, right? So you need to know these things. So when a client asks me, hey man, can you make me a logo for my company? Yeah, sure, of course I can, because I'm me, I'm B, get it? Ha! They ask me, can I get a logo? And I'm like, yeah, I can make the logo. And depending on what type of company it is, will let me know what type of logo I'm making. Now there's different types of logos in the business world, right? You got circle logos where the words are wrapped around a circle, like the business name is wrapped around a circle. You have square logos where you want the words hard and work to make a square, and maybe an image in between to make a square. It doesn't actually have to have the boundary, but you can see that it's a square logo. And then you have logos that are just font. These logos are just basically the name of the company, maybe with a little graphic in it, like a little icon or something in it. Basically all font logos. And these are the type of logos that you're gonna be making, that you should be making, and these are the questions that you need to ask your clients. Who am I doing this for? What's the demographics, age range? What's your business culture like? I wouldn't make the same logo for a nursery as I would for a law firm. You know what I'm saying? There's two different types of tones that you set in these logos. And basically, that's the topic for the day. Making logos, knowing who you're making them for, and knowing the different types of logos. All right? Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me in real life. No, don't follow me in real life. I'm just playing. Hey, that's it, man. I'll see y'all next time. I am Graphicdesigner. Peace.